All right, we just got the starter in. Let's do first start. New cable, new battery. New battery cable, sorry. Nothing. All right, guys, today we're gonna talk about no cranking, no start, but the truck has power. And there's kind of 5 steps that you can do to diagnose this. It all starts with the batteries. We're not gonna go over that just because the batteries, there's plenty of information online about that.
Pretty easy to see.
Yeah, and just make sure, you know, testing batteries, AutoZone does it, whatever. But also just check out your cables. Make sure they're clean. There's no weird corrosion. There's no notches, anything like that in the cables. Make sure your cables are good. That's pretty common. Second step, let's get a light tester. Hook it up to a ground. Hooking one down there. And then over
key. Are we gonna need a key or no?
No, not yet. Right here is your star solenoid. And on this one, you can see which one. Oh, right there. There you go. So this has power. So if you look, there's two posts. One is connected to the battery, and so it should have power always. The second one goes from here, gets from the ignition switch. So when it's in the crank position, it goes down to the starter. So if you touch it right now, it won't light up. But if you have the key in the on position and then cranking, it'll light up when you start to crank.
Yeah.
Then here on the starter, you got the big post, which is connected directly to the battery. This should always have power, so you can hook your tester up to it, and it should have power. This little one right here is connected to that solenoid, so we tested it over there, and we'll have power when you're trying to crank. So if you're getting power here, but you're not getting power to this little one, you know it goes the wire in between. But if you're getting power here and here, then you know your starter's bad.
Yep, and it's not cranking over at the revolutions it needs to start this big beast up.
And then the last one's a neutral safety switch.
We're just going to show you the location of the neutral safety switch. It's going to be right here, guys. I don't know if we can. Here we go. Right there. And you can test that out. There's lots of videos on that too. We're just showing you kind of the order of things to test and what to look at when you get these symptoms.
All right, kind of a short and sweet video, but if you have power, your truck just won't crank, go through these 5 things in order. So and review: batteries, battery terminals. Come over to the solenoid, test this one. That should always have power. This one, when the key, you'll need someone helping you, but the keys, you're cranking it, that one should light up. This one should always light up. This goes directly from the starter to the battery. This one will crank up as the keys turn.
Once the keys turn.
And then neutral safety switch. And there you go. So please like and subscribe. Enjoy this short video and hope this helps you guys out. See ya.
Peace.